my name is Prem Verma, and my problem statement is customer segmentation by using machine learning. So I imported the required libraries pandas, matplotlib, and seaborn. I read the dataset, and by the df.head I display the first 5 records. I check first is null. There is some null values in my dataset, so there is no null values. Again, I use sns.count plot, that is a seaborn by x equals to gender. So we count a male and female by using count plot. So there are 112 females and 88 males. By this, we again the count age by using a count plot. So in this I can visualize the age attribute, and my age values are between 32 to I think 56. So there are 32. So 32 age peoples are the most in my data set. So then I will be grouped by using gender, and by use gender and age I calculate the mean. So there is a 38.09 females and 39.80 are the males. I group by another attributes gender and annual income. By this we can see the male annual income is quite higher than female. Next I will count plot by age and annual income. So this will be a count plot. Then I will be use a bar plot for spending scores and gender. By using the spending score and gender we can see the females are spend more time than male. We can use a bar plot by annual income. So there is a male quite have a large annual income than female. By using a pair plot we can define all attributes with my gender. So this is the pair plot, and by using a spending score we also define a pair plot. Then my gender column is a object type, so I request male by 1 and female by 0. So they will be generated 1 for male and female for 0. And we can fill a type as a integer, and with the data df.info we can check whether there is a object type or not. So all are integer values here. So we can now move forward to model creation. So my x will be df.ilog 1 2 3 4, my first 4 columns. 0th column is my customer id, so I don't require that. So I am using first 4 columns. And then sklearn dot cluster import k-means. I use a k-means clustering. There will be init, that is k-means plus plus. This is my algorithm which I use. I will set max sitter as 600 and init it as 10 and random state 42. So I will fit my x and append my k-means inertia. So by using a elbow method we can find a k value. So here is my elbow method. There is, I will select the 4 as a k value, and then I will use same algorithm k means plus plus, and max iter will be 600, random state will be 0, and I will be predict my x with the help of k means. Now I will be in now I want to plot my all k means with all 2D dimensional. So this is quite difficult to understand the 2D graph. So here is gender, age, annual income, spending score, and centroids. So centroids is nothing but my k-means clusters. So this is called as I will call that centroids. So I want to convert that into 3D. So I will be put my y means my cluster in my data set. So there will be another column add by this is cluster. This is another column actually add. So by using this I will be plot my 3D graphs. So by actually seeing this we can identify the actual clusters by using 4, and I use here 3 columns like annual income, age, and spending score. So these columns I'll be actually using in my 3D graph. So I will be also rotate this, can be see easily. So this is, and main conclusion is that we have successfully created a k-means clustering and also visualize the gender and the age distribution, and then also analyze their annual incomes and spending scores by using a 3D plot. So thank you.